Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Open Google Pay and sign in with your Google account. Make sure your phone number and a bank account or debit card are linked. This allows instant transfers and bank settlements. Once done, verify your identity if prompted so payments aren't delayed. You also want notifications enabled so you get immediate alerts. This first step removes friction. You can now receive money without extra verification later and avoid failed transfers. Next, you either request money or accept an incoming payment. Tap Receive or Request, pick a contact or enter their phone or email, and add an amount and purpose so they know why. If you choose Request, send the link or notification. If you see an incoming payment, tap to accept. Make sure your default receiving method is correct so funds go to the right account. You'll also want to confirm the payer's identity for larger amounts to prevent mistakes. Finally, confirm the transaction details and tap Accept or Add to Balance when the money arrives. If you prefer, transfer funds to your bank instantly. Note fees may apply, so choose Scheduled Auto Transfer to avoid costs. Make sure to review the transaction history to confirm settlement times. If something goes wrong, first check your identity verification status and network connection, then retry. If still blocked, contact Google Pay support. This completes the receive cycle and secures your funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.